Fuck yes. What's up, everybody? So today I gotta go to Ikea, get a new desk, replace my desk, and clean up my basement just a bit. Whew. Big day ahead of me, but first we gotta make a little quick stop before that. All right, so I'm pretty much here. Gonna go see my boy, get some good drink, and yeah. Can I get a medium dark roast? No.
Lait au chocolat petit et grand. Et on a juste pour les blancs, on a juste le grand.
Here you go, sir.
Bless up my ass.
It's hot. Do you want to sleep or are you okay?
Yeah, sure. Woo! Bless up. Look at this man's car. Weak. Gotta keep the baby safe. Never endanger your coffee. Especially when it's a dark roast. Ooh, I love me some dark roast. Oh my. Now we're gonna be on our way to Ikea pretty much. It's pretty straightforward from here on out. We go in, buy our desk, get our legs, get out of there, go pick up the sander. Major shout out to Timmy's for this cup of coffee. Freshly brewed. Don't even have to worry about it being warm, even though it's like 30 degrees outside. I'm crazy. Don't ask me why I got this cup. I'm just dead tired. I worked until like 1 in the morning. I went to bed at 4. Yeah, here we are. Let's go. Honestly, I'm already so lost. I don't know where I am. Oh, maybe they're right over here. Oh yeah, I think I found them. Yeah, boy. There it is. Sometimes I can walk into Ikea and just look at random shit for no reason. Like look at this light. Probably makes me look amazing. Like I love the lights in Ikea. My favorite thing to do is just look at those. And like I just don't even care. Here it is. My favorite section. Lights. I love lights. It's been hours looking at these lights. Ooh, look at these. God damn. These are beautiful. Just gotta weave around everybody with this big camera. Oh, there they are. There they are. There they are. It's been hours. Ooh, look at that. Dimmer. Love it. Buy everything in here if I could. Let's go look at them LEDs. Where are they at? Oh, there they are. There they are. All right. There they are. RGBs. They ain't as cool as I thought they were. Well, I've had my fun with my lights, so let's go to the marketplace. Find what I came for. Oh no, there's more lights. There's more light. Fuck yes. So apparently that's all I need. Didn't need this. Just this. Oh well. So I was super stoked to just hit up the marketplace and find my stuff, but apparently they don't have it on the floor and I just gotta wait to pick it up over there. Oh well, maybe next time. I just left my shit all on its own for an Ikea. Gotta run to my car and go get it. Oh man, this is so sketch. Woo! Hopefully no one jacks it. The car's all loaded up. I'm gonna go pick up my circular sander and go to the hardware store, get some more stuff. Just picked up my circular sander, so we're just gonna toss this into the car, get my keys. damn, this is nice and cold in here. Ooh. Ooh. It's nice. Boy.
Hey.
Look at this sick employee over here.
Doing homework.
Employee of the
while I'm at
month.
work. Yeah. I was like, who's running into the store right now? Like, someone's trying
It's
to
your
steal
boy.
shit. Yeah.
It's your boy.
Okay.
Major vlogs.
Yeah, that's true. There you go.
That's me. Just be like, yo, I need a Tesla.
I
for
need a
this vlog.
Tesla. Sponsor me, Tesla, please. Sponsor me.
Sponsor me.
Yeah, sure.
Anyways.
Enjoy.
We gotta get one of these.
I don't know how to. Wait.
Oh yeah. See you tomorrow.
Okay, see you.
Everything wrong with me. So I gotta go stop by this home hardware store. Hopefully I make it in time. Everyone's staring at me, I don't even care. Whatever. Gotta get used to this. But yeah, let's run it. I parked in the wrong parking lot. Oh man, I got 40 minutes. I can make it. I got this. Okay, so pretty much get the sandpaper, get the varnish, go home, put together the base, sand the top, do all that stuff, and then go study for a test. Oh boy, it's busy. There we are. Oh yeah. This bad boy out. This one here out. Ooh, big ass cable. Oh my own boy. Put that together and I will see you after that.